Multivariate analysis examines relationships among three or more variables simultaneously, instead of isolating variables. It reveals how they interact and influence each other. Let's illustrate this by loading the tips dataset in Python.
Each column here is a variable. Total_bill, the meal total. Tip, the gratuity amount.
Smoker, if a diner smokes. Day of the week. Time, lunch or dinner.
Size, number of people in the party. Analyzing how total_bill varies with size, sex, and time together is multivariate analysis. Uncovering their combined impact.
Multivariate analysis, MVA, is a statistical technique used to analyze data that involves more than one variable. The primary goal of MVA is to investigate the relationships between multiple variables simultaneously, often to understand complex interactions, predict outcomes, or reduce data dimensionality, instead of looking at variables in isolation. Univariate, or just pairs. Bivariate. MVA considers the collective influence and interdependence of several variables at once.
The provided Python code first loads the TIPS dataset, a popular dataset for demonstrating statistical concepts. It then prints the head of the data frame and its information summary. Info. These steps are crucial for identifying and understanding the available features. Columns within the dataset, such as total_bill, tip, sex, smoker, day, time, and size. Each of these columns represents a distinct variable or characteristic recorded for each dining party.
By examining the tips_df head and tips_df.info output, we can clearly see the individual features. For instance, total_bill represents the cost of the meal. Tip is the gratuity amount. And sex indicates the gender of the person who paid. When we later analyze how total_bill relates to tip and size simultaneously, potentially varying by sex, we are engaging in a multivariate perspective, looking at multiple features together to uncover richer insights. The generated pair plot visually summarizes the multivariate relationships. On the diagonal, histograms show the distribution of each selected numerical feature. Total_bill, tip, size, differentiated by sex, The off-diagonal subplots are scatter plots showing the pairwise correlations between these features, with points colored according to sex, This allows for a quick visual assessment of how these multiple variables interact and how their distributions and relationships might vary based on the payer's gender.